Okay, so you want to know how to buy TonCoin on Telegram wallet from Tonkeeper? I have the solution for you. You have to go to tonkeeper.com and press this Telegram button. So once you do that, this works on mobile or PC. So you will bring to a chat with Tonkeeper bot. So you press Keeper, and as you can see here, you can log into your Tonkeeper account in Telegram. Then how do we buy TonCoin? Well, we press this buy button, as you can see, and you choose one of these options. For example, Mercurial. You open Mercurial, and as you can see, it will bring you to a website where you can pay USD to get TonCoin. So you press buy, you wait a few seconds, and then you have two options. It also depends of your country. In my case, it's Google Pay, credit or debit card. You choose one of them, you continue, and as you can see, you can log in. Okay, so you follow this procedure, you will be able to put your credit or debit card, and in a few minutes you will receive your precious coins in your Tonkeeper wallet. So if this video was useful for you, please subscribe, comment, share, like, and press the bell in the subscription button. Goodbye.